Hi, it's Nikoleta from Science App. Sometimes you might be wondering how to translate your data analysis findings into effective words for everyone around you to understand. Don't let your reader or the audience you are presenting to wonder. Let's see how to communicate data and insight together in this video. If you are here, you might be already aware that this video is part of the Data Science Roadmap from Zero. If not, you can find the link in the description below. Let me know what you think, your concerns, and we'll figure out together everything. Thank you guys for the love and the support. The easiest way to make others understand what we're talking about is by using graphs and plots. There are definitely many different types of graphs that we can use to represent our findings, with the simplest being bar charts, horizontal or vertical. We can easily create an effective dashboard to explain our analysis. However, we need to be extremely careful with the selection of the plots we choose. Not all types of plots are appropriate for everything. Each specific plot has its own use, but don't worry, we'll cover this in the next video. Guys, don't let your audience wondering what we are talking about. Use clear, simple words, straight to the point. Use words like what this tells or shows us is, or we can see from the bar, line, or whatever plot that maybe the amount, percentage, count is represented by, or this is significant for our analysis since our goal is to turn everyone from our audience from questioning to asking, understanding, enjoying, and thus learning from us. Here I mentioned all the top tips for you. Always consider your audience. Organize your findings in a dashboard or presentation easily readable for everyone. Include graphs and plots, and of course use clear words and explain the important things. And finally, let your audience ask questions, express opinions, be open to feedback. And when presenting, give your public some minutes for open discussion. We all have something to learn from everyone.